Hi children, this is the continuation of the topic stoichiometry calculations. In this video, we can discuss about the numericals. Already I sent the notes, okay? Let us discuss some more examples. The first one, calculate the amount of water produced by the combustion of 16 gram of methane. So the chemical reaction given here is burning or combustion of methane. Okay, and one of the product also given, that is water. Water is produced, so one of the product also given, that is water. Okay, and so methane is undergoing combustion, means methane is reacting with oxygen. And what is the formula of methane? CH4. So methane undergoing combustion means it is reacting with oxygen, and we are getting one of the product is water. Then what will be the other product? The other product will be carbon dioxide, because any hydrocarbon, when it is burnt, it will produce carbon dioxide, isn't it? So one of the product is water and the second product is carbon dioxide. So this is the equation for the given chemical reaction. Now we have to balance this chemical equation. How can we balance this? Here hydrogen atoms, here 4 hydrogen atoms are there, but here only 2 hydrogen atoms. How can we make it 4? For that we have to multiply here with 2. So 2 into 2, 4 hydrogen atom. Here also 4 hydrogen atom. Okay. Now what is the number of oxygen atom? Here 2 oxygen atom. Here also 2 oxygen atoms. So 2 plus 2, 4 oxygen atoms are there. But in the left hand side only 2 oxygen atom. Here also we have to make it to 4. For that here we have to multiply with 2. Now 2 into 2, 4 oxygen atom. Now the number of carbon atom is equal on both sides. Okay, so this is the balanced equation for the given chemical reaction. Now, according to this balanced equation, how many moles of methane is combining with how many moles of oxygen? What is the ratio? Methane 1 mole, isn't it? So 1 mole of methane react with 2 mole of oxygen, and we are getting 2 mole of water and 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So this is the ratio of their number of moles. This is the ratio for the number of molecules also, isn't it? From this number of moles, we can calculate the masses of this reactants and product. How can we calculate that? CH4. What is the mass? CH4, the mass is, we can calculate the mass here, that is CH4, 1 carbon atom, 12 plus 4 hydrogen atom, 14, that is equal to 16. So the mass of 1 mole of methane is 16, isn't it? 16 gram. So here 1 mole of methane we have taken, so that means 16 gram of methane, plus oxygen 2 moles we have taken, and what is the mass of 1 mole? Oxygen O2 means 32. O2 means 2 oxygen atoms are there, that is 16 into 2, that is equal to 32. Then here 2 moles are there. So 32 into 2, 64. So 2 moles of oxygen means 64 gram of oxygen. It is combined with 16 gram of methane, and we are getting 2 moles of water. And we know that the molecular mass of water is 18. That is for 1 mole. Here 2 moles are there. So 18 into 2, 36 gram of water will be produced. Plus carbon dioxide only 1 mole. So what is the mass? 44 gram. Okay. So according to this balanced equation, these are the masses of reactants and product. 16 gram of methane combines with 64 gram of oxygen, and we are getting 36 gram of water plus 44 gram of carbon dioxide. Now, what is the asked question? The amount of water produced by the combustion of 16 gram of methane. So in this question, 16 gram of methane is combining. According to the balanced equation, 16 gram of methane is combining. And how much amount of water is produced? The amount of water produced is 36 gram. So we can write 36 gram of water. Okay, 36 gram of water. So 16 gram of methane on combustion produces 36 gram of water. Now the second question is, calculate the amount of water produced by 10 gram of methane on combustion. So here also the same chemical reaction, that is combustion of methane. So the equation remains a balanced equation is same, that we can write like this: CH4 plus 2O2 gives 2H2O plus CO2. This is the balanced equation. From this balanced equation we will get the ratio of their number of moles. Okay. Now Here number of moles is not asked, the mass is asked. So directly we can write the masses of the reactants and product. According to this balanced equation, what are the masses? The mass of 1 mole of methane is 16 gram plus 2 moles of oxygen means 64 gram gives 2 moles of water means 36 gram and 1 mole of carbon dioxide means 44 gram. So these are the masses of the reactants and product according to the balanced equation. And what is asked in the question? We have to find out the amount of water produced by the combustion of 10 gram of methane. If 10 gram of methane undergoes combustion, how much amount of water will be produced? That is our question. From this equation, we can understand that 16 gram of methane produces how much gram of water? 36 gram of water. Okay, now we are asked to calculate the amount of water produced by 10 gram of methane. Amount of water produced by 10 gram of methane. How can we find out that? From the 16 gram of methane, we can calculate the amount of water produced by 1 gram of methane. Okay, so 16 gram methane produces 36 gram means 1 gram of methane produces 36 divided by 16 gram of water. Okay, 1 gram of methane produces 36 divided by 16 gram of water. Now, if 1 gram produces this much amount, what will be the amount produced by 10 gram? Therefore, 10 gram of methane produces 36 divided by 16 into 10 gram of water. Okay. Now, we can simplify this. And we are simplifying, we will get the answer 22.5 gram of water. Okay. So we can understand that 10 gram of methane on combustion produces 22.5 gram of water. This is the required answer. Now our third question is, how many moles of methane are required to produce 22 gram of carbon dioxide after combustion? So here the amount of carbon dioxide is given. We have to calculate the required amount of methane to produce this much amount of carbon dioxide. Okay. So the reaction remains same. That is burning of methane. So we can write the balanced equation. CH4 plus 2O2 gives 2H2O plus CO2. This is the balanced equation. From this, what we are asked? We have to calculate the amount of methane to produce 22 gram of carbon dioxide. Okay. So according to the balanced equation, what are the masses of the reactants and product? Mass of methane is 16 gram and that of oxygen is 64 gram. And they are producing 36 gram of water plus 44 gram of carbon dioxide. Okay. So 16 gram of methane produces 44 gram of carbon dioxide. So that we can write in a reverse order, that is 44 gram of carbon dioxide is produced from 16 gram of methane. Okay. So 44 gram of carbon dioxide is produced from 16 gram of methane. Now from this 1 gram of carbon dioxide is produced from how much gram of methane? 16 divided by 44 gram of methane. Okay, so 1 gram of carbon dioxide is produced from this much amount of methane. Therefore, 22 gram of carbon dioxide. It is produced from 16 divided by 44 into 22. That is equal to 8 times 8 gram of methane. Okay. So 22 gram of carbon dioxide is produced from 8 gram of methane. But in our question, the mass is not asked. We have to calculate the moles, number of moles. Okay. How many moles of methane are required? Here we got the mass of methane and this mass we have to convert into number of moles. What is the formula for that? Number of moles is equal to given mass by molar mass. Number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molar mass or molecular mass. And what is the given mass here? That is 8 gram. 8 gram of methane, isn't it? That we got. And the molar mass of methane is 16. Okay. So 8 divided by 16, that is equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5 mole. So to produce 22 gram of carbon dioxide, we need 0.5 mole of methane. That is the answer. 22 gram of carbon dioxide is produced from 0.5 mole of methane. I think it is clear for all of you.